Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Ask Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask FedEx about a package. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official FedEx website. Now from the homepage, click on sign up or log in at the top section and then proceed with logging into your account using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be able to enter your tracking ID for your package inside the tracking ID box and then click on the track button. This will give you the general information about the progress of your package delivery. If this still doesn't help your case, then click on the support option at the top section and then click on customer support. This will now show you various different options regarding the FAQs from which you can get your query resolved or your question answered. If you already have a support ticket opened, you can simply enter your case number and click on check now to check on the progress. If none of these information help your case, then you can simply scroll all the way down and you will be able to see the find the customer service phone number option. You can click on this and you can choose your region and simply click on the contact page option. You will now see the phone number that you can use to call the support team, which will provide you the relevant information that you require in terms of tracking your package. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to inquire about your package on FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.